Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, I show you guys my Google AdSense. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, I show you my Google AdSense. It's been long time ago. Nasa abroad pa tayo niyan guys. So ngayon lang natin i-vlog. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, I show ko guys kung gaano nakatagal yung aking AdSense dumating. So, it's been years ago. So, na-receive ito ng sister-in-law ko, guys, is nasa abroad ako. I think this is my 4th AdSense. 4 na AdSense yung dumating sa akin, pero the same number lang siya. So, ito na guys. Ito yung AdSense natin. Hindi ka YouTuber kung wala kang ganito. So, actually, na ano ko lang siya guys kasi it's busy long months, days, ganun. So, ngayon ko lang siya guys nakita sa aking folder. Nakalagay pala sa folder ko na ano ko siya guys, I forgot to put in the frame. So ngayon guys, nakikita nyo na may AdSense tayo. YouTuber lang yung may mga ganito. So, meron ako niyan. Totally, I have 4. Pero nakalimutan kung saan na yung 3. So, ito lang yung naiwan sa akin. And then, itong AdSense ko guys is galing ito sa Malaysia. Kasi meron dito nakalagay na ayan, hindi natin maintindihan kung ibig sabihin. Ayan guys, may address ko sa baba at pangalan. Tapos ayan, may nakalagay dito na if undelivered, please return to the locked bag and something like this. Ayan, Malaysia, may address yung Malaysia dito. Tapos dito is address ko sa baba. Ayan. So, ito yung address ko sa baba, guys. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-open. As in, hindi ko na-open. So, may ngalan talaga siyang important documents enclosed. Ayan. So, ito, guys. Pag once na-open mo itong AdSense na to, guys, ito sa baba. Ito, meron siya. Dito mo siya i-open. So, actually, hindi ko pa siya na-open. Ever since na dumating ako dito sa Pilipinas, hindi ko pa siya na-open, guys. So, ayan, dumating ito guys, I think is pandemic. During pandemic, dihin natin ito guys, ito. 4 to siya 4, pero hindi na naalala kung saan na yung 3. So, ito na lang yung naalala na ano guys, na recover. So, i-keep ko ito guys. So, as I said, ipa-print ko ito guys. I mean, ipa-frame. Kagaya ng wedding frame namin. Ganito din yung gagawin ko. At least meron akong remembrance. So, I start vlogging, I think 2019, something. Yep, 2019. Tapos, until now, so, 2019. Yeah, that was 2019. And then, so, ilang years na kami ngayon. I think it's magpo 4 years na itong vlog ko. Yeah. Something like, I forgot, 2019 or 2020. I think, yeah, 2019 yung relationship ko sa apam ko, and then asawa ko na, 2019 kami nag-start, and then 2020, nag-start ako ng mag-vlog. So, 4 years na. So, ito na yun, guys. Ito na yung aming AdSense. So, nakikita nyo, guys. Ayan yung mukha ng AdSense. Pasensya na sa background ko, guys, kung medyo may maingay. Yan ang tayong pimples, guys. Ito ang hair natin for today. Yan yung hair natin, guys. Bagong color natin. Coffee. Ayan. Charan! Check! AdSense. Ayan, AdSense. Are you okay?
Yep, right, right.
Yep. I'm making vlog. I'm filming here. So, ito na yung AdSense natin, guys. So, ito lang yung vlog natin for today. So, i-open ko ito, guys. I don't know. I-open ko ba ito, guys? Alam mo, nasayangan ako kasi gusto ko ito i-remembrance. Baka hindi ko lang ito open. I want to open this, darling, or no? This is our AdSense for our YouTube channel. So, I try to open this, guys. I try to open. Open na natin. Kahit 4 siya na AdSense na dumating sa akin, guys, the same pa rin yung number. Try natin kung anong nakaloob nito. Try natin guys kung anong nakaloob nito guys. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Okay. Ito yung add number ko sa loob. 'Di ba? Yung yung pin kasi pag wala kang pin dati, ma-demonic ka. So, ito yung pin mo, guys. Malalaking number niya, guys. First time ko nakita itong ganito, guys. Ang niya, guys. Pwede ko ba tong ganyanin? Pwede ko siya i-open. Guys, anim yung pin dito nakalagay. 6 digit. 6. Yeah, 6. And then, may nakalagay sa loob na basahin natin guys. Your Google AdSense personal identification number and welcome to Google AdSense. To enable payments for your account, please follow these steps. Yes, the same lang siya guys. May step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. So, same lang talaga yung number niya guys. 6 digits. And then, ganun din guys. Step 4 siya. Kasi the time na nag-fill up ako ng aking AdSense guys, ako noon manual kasi hindi dumating yung AdSense ko. Matagal siya dumating. Kaya ito dumating siya. Actually, ito, apat. So, isa lang yung naiwan sa akin. I don't know is saan na yung tatlo. Nakalimutan na. But thankful, meron pa akong pangalan dito guys. Ayan Emeline. That's my pangalan ko, guys. Ito. Ayan. YouTuber lang yung may ganito, guys. Diba? YouTuber lang yung may ganito. Kung hindi ka YouTuber, wala kang Google AdSense. So, ito lang yung vlog natin for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shout out pala dyan sa may mga katulad kong may Google AdSense kasi yan ang tunay na YouTuber. So, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in next vlog. Darling, you say bye-bye to them. Dito pala siya, guys. Lagi siya naka-sidewise kasi, you know what, when he go back home, he bring my one tripod. So, he use my tripod. So, that's why nakaganyan siya, guys, naka-sidewise. Hindi siya nakaganyan. Ayan. Yeah. So, I use my one tripod because I have two tripod. I use my one pair. So, the other one is, my darling use it now. He bring in the UK. So, thank you for the, you say bye-bye to them, darling, in this vlog. So, siya, guys, he just woke up to make his breakfast. So, ayan na, guys. Ito lang yung vlog natin for today. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.